The Optoma ZH403 Laser Projector offers an impressive laser light source that can last up to 30,000 hours, ensuring a long-lasting and low-maintenance experience. With support for 4K HDR input, this projector delivers exceptional image quality with brighter whites and deeper blacks, enhancing your viewing experience. Featuring a high brightness of 4,000 lumens and a contrast ratio of 300,000 to 1, the ZH403 provides clear and detailed images even in well-lit rooms. Flexible installation options are made possible with its vertical keystone correction and the ability to project in portrait or full 360-degree modes. The Optoma ZH403 is equipped with extensive connectivity options, including HDMI, VGA, and more, making it versatile for various digital and analog sources. A built-in 10-watt speaker enhances the audio experience without needing external speakers, making it ideal for classrooms and meeting rooms.